I know a lot of people have been refining. What if I come across a lead and they're already a low interest rate, like a 2.5? Is there any way that you would sell it, that you would try to convince them to find value?
The way that I would approach them is using the campaign strategy. Hey, Austin, this is Daniel. I just want to let you know, I got some information that's coming your way. It's with regards to a campaign that's specific to the Fullerton area. And what it's doing is it's helping homeowners achieve a goal that enables them to pay their mortgage off sooner. So besides the lower rate, it's really about strategizing of how to quickly pay down your principal balance. And this is actually sponsored through Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, VA, or FHA, whatever the situation is, right? But not everyone will qualify. So I'm gonna go and send you the details. If it could help you, you have the information to take action. But while I got you on the phone, Austin, let me ask you a few questions. With regards to your rate, you have a great rate at 2.5. In terms of the payment though, are you sending above and beyond, or do you just send what's due?
What's just due.
Okay. And then is the intent to keep the house and pay it off, or just is this like somewhere you're going to be for at least 10 years?
Keep the house and pay it off.
Oh, perfect. Now the condition of your property, let me button it up because when I send it to you, it's going to be worth your time this way. The condition of your home right now, knowing this crazy market, on a scale of 1 through 10, 10 being the best, meaning if you put it for sale, it's going to get the most money in your neighborhood, the perfect condition. How would you rate the condition of your property today on a scale of 1 through 10?
Around 8. Right around 8.
Okay. And what could you do to the property to make it a 10?
Do some remodeling, kitchen, bathrooms, stuff like that.
Okay, cool. And then what I would do is I would elaborate. Okay, what exactly would you do with the kitchen? What would you do with the bathroom, right? Because what you're doing is you're creating the idea. And then that enables us to come back and say, okay, well, since this house is a keeper, what I'll do is I'll put some information of how the campaign can help you do that. Now I can go back to a 30-year, I can give them a higher rate and say that in 6 to 12 months, once the improvements are done, your value will increase. So then I'm gonna call you back and tell you how to get into a 20-year or 25-year at a much lower rate because you have so much equity, right? So now it becomes a bridge. Now, if they're not down with that and they say, no, I don't want to do anything, I don't want to finance it, say, okay, no worries. So if you do intend to keep this property and pay it off, when is your target retirement date? Right? And they're going to say, oh, retire in 20 years. Okay, cool. So let me show you some ways to get this house paid off in 20 years or sooner. Right now I have an in.